December 3rd, early in the morning. Federal court documents detail how CBP's Alpha Team 1 showed up here, looking for a target, a man with a conviction for unlawful possession of meth. They had a photo of said man from 2006 and an address in Beaverton. But according to a federal judge's opinion and order, the man they were seeking no longer lived there. He hadn't for more than a decade. Judge Michael McShane wrote to say that the information relied upon by CBP in the target package was stale would be a remarkable understatement. However, when a different man stepped out of the apartment around 7:45 that morning, officers took him into custody anyway, finding he didn't have lawful status in the U.S. and was a citizen of Mexico. At Portland's ICE facility, court documents detail how officers wrote a warrant for the man's arrest after the fact. He'd been arrested without one. The judge went on to write that this court is becoming all too familiar with the self-apparent tactic of federal officers to arrest first, ask questions later. The crux of the violation of the Beaverton man's due process rights. He was immediately released on December 15th after nearly 2 weeks in ICE custody. His attorney told KGW that this was a very dramatic moment to see him unshackled in the courtroom after the judge had left the bench.
And of course, we have reached out to both DHS and CBP for a comment on this situation. At this time, though, we have not heard back.